cramps. Yes, kilala ko si Rachel. Hi guys. What's my perfume? My perfume is it's two kinds of perfume. First one is my everyday perfume. It's the Tiffany Co. And then the second one is Le Labo. It's my when I go to like events or something. Santal 33. No. It's another 13. No, I'm not. I'm not from Ateneo. I'm from Miriam College. I'm third year college. Thank you, Jasper. Guys, what do you guys want me to do? I want to sing. I've been seeing you a lot sa school. So pretty. For real? Thank you, John Carl. You should have said hi. Course International Studies. What do you guys want me to sing? Guys, I'm sorry. I didn't make ayos na cause I have my period and I don't want to break out. So I don't want to put anything on my face other than my skincare. Thank you, Ronsky. Bill reveal? Nabayaran na yung bill last month eh. Hindi ko alam kung magkano ngayon. Darating na siya ngayon. Charot. Ano ba tayo ngayon? Next week siguro. Nakaka-starstruck. You should have said hi. Not gonna bite. Thanks, Goofya. Kumusta ang school? I'm happy kasi natapos ko ng aking paper. So, wala na ako masyadong stress ngayon. Yun lang yung medyo kinakabahan ako. Ngayon naman, yung gagawin ko na lang for school is puro mga group work na lang yata to. Hindi naman siya Thank you, Joyce. What do you call that? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 group work na lang. Pero mahirap pa din siya. Pero at least, natapos ko na yung ako lang mag-isa. Thank you, Mile. Thank you, Cha-Cha. Why is there a fly in here? Hindi ako mahilig mag-draw, guys. Hindi ako mahilig sa art. Thank you, J-Pot. So, hindi ako creative. Wala, hindi ako nabiyayaan doon. Thank you, Edward. There's nothing like move. Hi, Smile. Thank you. What's your go-to restaurant pag nagugutom ako after class? My home. After class, wala na talaga akong energy to go out pa. Hindi ako mahilig punta sa kahit saan pag wala na akong energy. Most of the time, pag inaaya ko ng mga friends ko, minsan lang ako pupunta kasi aside sa I don't wanna make gastos and there's food naman in my condo, I don't have any energy anymore. I'm currently taking up BA International Studies. Major in International Politics and Peace Studies. Pag nasa condo ako, mahilig ako magluto ng sisig. Sisig tofu, sisig, tuna sisig. And I also love to cook pasta. Ano pa ba? Pero my favorite talaga is kimchi fried rice. Yes, maglolo ako. No, I don't like matcha. I'm sorry. It's a hot take. Okay, sige. Kanta tayo naman. Clean girl look tip. First off, I think a clean girl look, don't go for, I guess, dark makeup. I think. Iniisip ko na mag-vlog na ako. Pero kasi, basta. Yes, I'm Bisaya. Hi. Fave drink. I love anything that has pearls in it or nata. Pero pinaka pearls talaga. Cooking vlogs mo dito. Hindi. Sige. Soon. Tinatry ko kasi na na sasabihan ko pa si mommy na bigyan niya ako ng bagong phone. Sige. Sising na ako kasi ang dami na nagre-request. Thank you, JC. Skincare ko, ang nalagay ko sa face ko ngayon is toner, vitamin C serum, moisturizer, and sunscreen. Pero pag 6 p.m. na, hindi na ako nagsa-sunscreen. Pero pag lumalabas ako, nagsa-sunscreen pa din ako kahit gabi na. Pero pag dito lang, hindi na. No, I'm not from Cebu, but I have family. I have my family there. Meron akong pasok ng Saturday. Yeah. Affordable libre ko.
Wala nang bago sa matagal na biyahe.
Mahal din kasi yung
Pero
Romand.
sana, sa
Pero
pagdating ko
Romand
sa'yo,
lang kasi yung ginagamit ko
kahit
talaga.
konti.
So, yun na lang. Yun na lang. Kasi yun lang din naman yung nire-refer ko. Focalure. It's also nice. It's cheap lang. Uy, kinikilig talaga ako dito sa kanila. Grabe naman talaga. Sunscreen ko, Beauty of Johnson, new fave, and then, pero yung OG talaga is Face Republic. Okay. I'm so happy. Thank you, Nage. Is it Nage? I'm always excited when I'm singing. Aw, thank you, Tom. Thank you, JL. Ay. Anong gusto niyo sa palagi? Yung KZ version or yung dati? Kasi pag dati, mabubuo ko siyang kanta. Pero yung KZ version lang talaga. Hi, Pasinyo. Thank you, Brian. Thank you, Brian. Paano mag-critique? For me, just really think about what you read. Mag-analyze ka talaga, and hindi lang puro critique. Also highlight the parts na parang na-appreciate mo or nag-a-agree ka. Tapos, ayun, dun ka na mag-critique. Tapos, think outside of the box always. I think that's how I critique. Paper ba yung sinasabi mo? Or baka yung sinasabi mo yung ano? So, ano gusto niyong version? KZ or what? KZ or what? Hair care. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be posting my first ever hair care routine. I haven't ever... Ang pinost ko lang ever since is Vitabear's Flawless Glow. And that's one na nag-help sa akin sa hair ko. And actually guys, kung talagang OG kayo, alam nyo na sobrang damage talaga ng hair ko. So the fact that it's silky now and nice, at least, it's restoring because of something. And ginagamit ko na talaga yun ever since. Nakaisang set na ako dun. Set kasi siya. And ngayon, may tinatry akong bagong set. Pero I'm about to post it yet. So, sa mga nagtatanong dyan kung ano yung shampoo ko, kung ano yung conditioner ko, and all that. Chill lang kayo kasi I'm gonna post it on my Instagram. So, sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-follow sa akin, follow me there. It's Emanal. Ay! It's not Emanal anymore. It's francesfinlac.official. Thanks, Shishin. Hi, Erwin. Okay, guys. So what do you guys want? KZ, ano? Or what? Ay, okay. Okay. KZ version. Okay. Okay, ZK. Nainig niyo ba ako? Thank you, Maski. Ay, asan na yun? Okay. Kung balikan man ang hirap luha, lahat. Isa pa. Ang lakas eh. Naririnig niyo ba yung accompaniment? Kung balikan man ang hirap, luhat lahat, ikaw ang paborito kong desisyon na. Pag napaligiran ng ingay at ng gulo, di ko pagpapalit ngiti mo sa mundo. Oh, eto tayo, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man malaman mong iyo ko. Sa pagdating ng ating nilagay pinto, samantaman. Okay, done. Thank you, Marvel. What's next? What's next? Okay, I wanna lay down. Miga bigla. Thank you so much, Mas D. It's kind of cold. Thank you, JC. Thank you, Mile. Thank you, Nij Nage. Is it raining? No, it's super sunny outside. Okay. Thank you, Vincent. Wait lang. Rainbow daw. Thank you so much. Rainbow. How do you pronounce it kasi?
Stubborn dark spots?
Okay.
Nivea Super 10 Body Serum reduces dark spots in as early as 7 days.
Yeah, nakapunta na akong Davao. Okay. Falling out, falling in, nothing sure in this world, no, no. Breaking out, breaking in, never knowing what lies ahead. We can really never tell it all. No, no, no. Say goodbye, say hello to a lover or friend. Sometimes we never could understand why some things begin then just end. We can really never tell it all. No, no, no. But oh, can't you see that no matter what happens, life goes on, and so baby, just smile, 'cause I'm always around you, and I'll make you see how beautiful life is for you and me. Take a little time, baby, see the butterflies' colors, listen to the birds, I'll listen to sing. Oh my gosh, guys, there's a bird in here in the likod of my aircon. And guys, wait, I'm gonna show you. There's seriously a bird. Why is a bird in my... Wait, I'm gonna show you. See that? It's moving. See? It's literally... Okay, ang OA. Pero, see? Why are you always in there? Sakto pa nung kumanta ako ng birds. Okay, anyway. It's always right there. Ay, it's a pigeon pala. Sorry. Okay. Okay. You feel me. This is such a wonderful place to be. Even if there is pain now, everything would be alright. For as long as the world still just there will be night and day. Can you hear me? There's a rainbow always after the rain. Hitting high, hitting low, win or lose you should go, yeah, yeah. Getting warm, getting cold, weather could be so good, oh, bad. But baby, this is life, now don't get mad. No, no, no. But oh, can't you see that no matter what happens, goes on, and so baby, please smile, just smile, 'cause I'm always around you, and I'll make you see how beautiful life is for you and me. Take a little time, baby. Love you more, love, love. That we're sent to sing for me and you. Can you feel me? This is such a wonderful place to be. Thank you, Prince. Thank you, Step. Okay, that's it. I'm tired. What's next? Thank you, Jeffsy. Thank you, Blessy. I started listening to your podcast again because I miss your advices. Sige nga, what do you guys want an advice? Do you guys want an advice? Thanks, Shin. Go. Queen, what's your reaction na before daw nila stinan si Bini Aya, in love daw sila sobra sa'yo? Thank you, Kiana. Of course, I feel very, very grateful na those who support Ate Aya now supported me before, and I've always admired Ate Aya ever since. She's literally the kindest, so worth it talaga siyang i-stan. She's so kind to me, and wala talaga, sobrang kind niya talaga. So yeah, deserve talaga to stand. Aw, thank you. Hi, Eros. Thanks, Lou. What's next? Come on. Sa mga gusto ng advice. Kahit hindi ako magaling, I don't think I'm still good at giving advices. Advice about ACADS. For me ha, ang advice ko sa mga students dyan, ako kasi, never kasi akong never akong pinressure ng parents ko to parang kailangan mag-top ako, mag-top 10. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, love, so much. Grabe ka. So, yun, hindi ako pinressure talaga ng parents ko to be one of the top 10. Lalo nung, gusto ko lang ikwento sa inyo na lalo nung first year ako bilang international study student, sobrang hirap talaga. Kasi alam mo yung, dapat kasi talaga political science yung, pol-sci yung course ko. So ngayon, napag-desisyon na ng parents ko na ipa-IS ako kasi nga para mas broad, mas makakapili ako more ng sa kung ano talagang tatahakin ko na career. And nung first semester ng first year, hindi talaga ako naging dean's list. And nung second semester na ng first year, doon na ako nag-start na ako mag-dean's list until second year. Tapos, nung last semester, nung second semester ng second year, hindi ako nakasali sa dean's list. Kasi lahat ng mga times na I have an event na hindi sa Manila, na I have to go far away from here in Manila, tapos hindi ako makakapag-aral, hindi ako nakakapag-recite kasi hindi ako nakakapasok kasi may work. Yun lang yung mga times din na hindi ako naging dean's list. And sa akin yung advice ko sa mga, for me lang, study talaga. Mag-study talaga kayo. Pero if you're the same sa akin na nag-work din kayo, kasi alam ko marami dyan nag-work din and may iba ding pinagkakaabalahan. And I just wanna tell you na you don't have to pressure yourself. You don't have to ace every examination, or you don't have to be one of the top 10 or part of the dean's list. Kasi, wala may iba kang inaatupag. You're not just a regular student, and of course, you have all the right to not pressure yourself kasi hindi lang school yung buhay mo. So, ganun sa akin. Ganun ko tinitake. Like, syempre, nung di ako nakasama last sem, syempre nasad ako, diba? Kasi tuloy-tuloy nga akong dean's list. Pero for me kasi, wala may career din ako. So, grateful na lang din ako. Syempre kasi may mga opportunities sa akin. And so now, na wala pa namang ongoing work, wala namang anything right now. So, talagang may time ako mag-study. So, for those na walang anything, I can still say na please don't pressure yourself. Kasi, just don't pressure yourself, but still continue studying and working hard. Yeah, I think that's it. Pero again, if same kayo sa akin, lalo dati na talagang may work, don't pressure yourself talaga. You don't have to, basta pumasa, yung ganon, basta pumasa. Or to be realistic. Yeah. Thank you, Ronto! Be specific. Anong self? Anong advice for the self? Miss Hiranto. Any advice po for a graduating student who don't really have an idea on what to do after graduating? For me, I really don't know kasi I'm also very undecided yet. Di ko pa sure kung anong field ng law yung kukunin ko, and I'm still so undecided, and it's only like 1 year na lang din, and I'm also graduating na. So I think for me, continue searching for what you really want, and ayun, magkaroon ka ng mga options, tapos kung anong pinakagusto mo, sana yun yung makuha mo. Thank you, Marvel. Thank you, Jello. What's next? Thank you, love, love. Advice about life is not being on your side. Everything you do is not working as you planned. You know, when things don't work out according to what you planned, I know I'm really not big on, thank you so much, Jerome. I know I'm not really big on sharing about God anymore. Pero honestly, that if something's not working according to your plan, I think really, meaning, for me, I believe na meron talagang mas nakaplan pa sa'yo na mas maganda si God for you. Yeah. Thank you, ZYRL. Thank you, Danny. For me, that's... Saan? Nakakausad from what? Thank you, Yobib. Nakakausad from... Saan? Of course naman, may professor ako na strict din sa ko. Pero alam mo, na-appreciate ko yung ganun pag strict. Kasi doon ako pinaka natututo. Advice for living alone? For me it's something na you really need sa life mo. You have to be independent and yeah, right now kasi I'm living the best life talaga now that I'm living alone, and it's just nice na you have a home na talaga, yung parang ganun. What's next? Pero syempre guys, 'di ba, I lived with my best friend before. Syempre punta pa din ako sa best friend ko kahit na may condo na. Kasi miss ko pa din sila. Thanks ZYRL, thanks Aaron, thanks Box. Ako kasi sweet corn. Ako kasi napilitan akong bumukod kasi my home is really in Mindanao and Pagadian City, and I'm here for work and for school. So wala akong choice. Nakakatakot bumukod, pero kasi nasanay na lang talaga ako. Ang tagal ko na din kasi sa Manila. Tagal ko na sa Manila, so nasanay na ako talaga. Pero honestly, ayaw nga ng best friends ko na bumukod ako from them. Gusto nila, sa kanila lang talaga ako. Pero I think it was time na din. Thank you, Box. How to know po if you're in the right path? I guess, malaman mo lang talaga because you're already at peace. You're thriving kung saan yung path mo. Feeling ko, dun mo malalaman na you're in the right path. Pag thriving ka, ganon. Pero hindi pag guys hindi meaning na pag naghihirap ka, hindi wala ka na sa right path. May paghihirap pa din sa life. So, how much tuition mo? 6 digits siya. How to be confident po? How to be confident? For me, I got to be confident lalo nung mas tinitake care ko na yung sarili ko, mas nilalove ko na yung sarili ko, and I really don't I avoid trying to be insecure to other girls kasi dun nawawalan ka ng confidence eh. So yeah, Try to not compare yourself to anyone. True, po. True. Thanks, Paul. Of course, Katina, of course. All my alone time, that's where I have the most peace. Thanks, Kim. Ate Love, my cousin is here. What's next? Thanks, Paul. Are you introverted, extroverted, or both? I think both. Minsan, pag wala na akong energy, nagiging introvert, pero extrovert talaga ako. Thank you, Jerome. Thank you, bro, Andrew. Ambivert ba tawag dun? Sige, anong gusto niyong kanta? Mukha lang. Thank you, Michael. Ano pang gagawin ko? Mag-aaral lang pala ako after nito. Wala akong assignment ko. Group work lang. 3 group work. So, parang ganun din. Okay. Sige, question and answer pa din tayo. May nagsabi Q&A pa din daw. Sige, go. Pero mag-aaral pa din ako. Tingnan natin kung ano yung scad natin. Okay. Isa lang pala. Isa lang ang pag-aaralan ko. Isang subject lang. Study tips. Hala, hindi ko din alam. Pero basta fino-force ko talaga yung sarili ko na mag-aral. Kasi walang choice. Ano ba bukas? Sa Sunday, no, wala. Oh, yes, I miss my brace era. I swear. But I don't miss the pain. I just missed how cute I was. No, baby, my face was. I'm 5'3". Monday, yes. Pupunta akong school Monday. Oo nga. Okay, guys. So, ready na ba kayo? Magpapa-quiz ako. Name all of my dogs. Come on. Isa-shout out ko. 1. Until 10 lang, ha? 1, 2, 3, 4. Full name, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Sorry, no shoutouts muna. Okay. What's next? Wala kayong choice, guys. Mahaba talaga yung pangalan nila. Kasing haba ng name ko. Guys, 3 yung aso ko. Dapat yun, 3. Thanks, Sean. Thanks, Reyes. Guys, anong next? What's next? Next. What's my motto in life? What's my motto? Parang I do have a motto. Wala akong maisip. Oh my gosh, I can't relate, ZK. Thank you, Adi. Okay. Hi. Life advice. Choose your circle wisely. Yan lang yung advice ko. Choose your circle wisely. Bawal. Mal squared. Bawal. Do you prefer mornings or nights? Nights. Any time of the day, it's the night. Yun talaga aking favorite. Sunset or sunrise? Sunset. Pasta or pizza? Pasta. Thank you, Adi. Aw, thanks, Lexa. Thank you, Adi. Thank you, Ayan. Bakit kayo ganyan? Ilang beses ko na yan sinagot, tas bakit kayo mag-emoji ng ganyan? That's so fucking weird. Why are you guys so weird? So fucking weird, bro. Thanks, Andrea. Sana ako na lang yung kuko. Guys. Movies or series? Movies talaga gusto ko, pero wala pa nga akong teddy bear dito sa condo. Wala pa. Ano daw? These people. Maybe I shouldn't go live on whenever I have my period. Kasi whenever I see comments It just pisses me off. Oh my gosh. I can't. Saan galing necklace mo? I bought this for myself. I love your eyes. Thank you. That's so sweet. Where? I bought it from Dubai. I love your smile. Thank you. That's so sweet. You guys are so sweet. Why? Why? What's next? What's next? Fave moments of Koses. Siguro yung nag-nationwide tour kami, tapos lagi kaming magka-roommates. Or yung mga nung bago pa talaga kami nagkilala ni Utut and we already instantly we're already like best friends na agad. Thank you, Naga. Did you use Rejuve? No. I'm scared to use Rejuve. But my skin naman right now, thank God, it's a little bit okay. Thank God. Fave flower. Tulips or roses? Ay, tulips or roses? Pag rose siguro, gusto ko madami. Pag tulips, okay lang sa akin kahit onti lang. 3, love. Thank you, Marvel. Color ng bag ko, dalawa eh. I mean, dalawang handbags. It's beige and it's black. Okay, sing na. Sing na. Ano pang feeling maiwan ng aeroplano? Siyempre, nakakainis. Thank you. Renz, thank you. Thanks, Lox. Of course, nakakainis. Pero wala nang choice. Ayoko kasi nag-duel eh. Ayoko yung nararamdaman ko na hindi ako okay. So, nung naiwan kami ng aeroplano, wala na, hinayaan ko na. Ayoko na i-stress yung sarili ko. Thanks, it's me, Perch. Wala ba akong ano? Parang wala akong... Ay, meron pala. Thanks, Marvel. What do you guys want? Hi, Grace. Thanks, love. Anong gusto nyong, dali, kanta. Ang bilis ng comments, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my... Hindi ko sure kung kaya kong... Maybe this time. Shocks. Kaya ko ba? Ayoko ng sayaw. No one can make me dance now. Hintayin nyo na lang yung post ko mamayang 9 p.m. Wah!
Cover speech.
Ayoko muna ng sayaw kasi ang sama ng pakiramdam ko. Thanks, Evan. Hala, di ko talaga alam kung kaya ko to ngayon. Okay. Try nga natin dito ako maglalayo. Ayoko na. Naya na ako dun. Dito na lang. Okay. Baby, two sweethearts who fell apart somewhere long ago. How are they to know? Someday they meet again. Have a need for more than reminiscing. Maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. It's the same old feeling back again. It's the one they had way back when they were too young to know love is real. But somehow some things never change, and even time hasn't cooled the flame. It's burning even brighter than it did before. It got another chance, and if they take it, maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. Oh, she smiles like she used to smile way back then. Just feel like she used to feel way back when they tried, but something kept them waiting for this magic moment. Oh, maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. No, she's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time, love won't end. Okay. Thank you, it's me, Perch. What's next? Thanks, love. Pampaputi. I don't use pampaputi kasi
Thanks for watching.
I like me more tanned.
Like to be appreciated.
So, I don't know. Ay!
Bye.
Again.
Covers PH.
Maybe this time walang matatanggap.
Ang dami kong dinadaan.
Anong next?
Ox lang. Makarating lang.
Ay!
Sa'yo.
Thank you, Perch. Grabe naman talaga ang mga nire-request ng mga taong ito. Hindi ko alam. Wait, I'm just gonna get my Lipton. Thank you, Alea. My IG is francespinlock.official. It's the same here. Okay. What appliances should you buy next? Wala naman akong need here sa condo. Wala naman na. Mop. Meron din akong fridge. Wala na. I don't need anything. Nakakailang kape ka? No, I don't drink coffee. Anong araw, di mo na malaya na ubusin ka ng oras. Pwede bang humiling isa pang araw na ikaw lang ang kasama? Kulang na kulang panahon, di sapat ang meron tayo ngayon. Pwede bang humiling isa pang araw? Okay, yun lang yung part na alam ko. Next. Thank you, Edmin. Taho Klasiko! Oh my gosh, I wanna buy Taho Klasiko. Thank you, Wana. Coffee. Ang favorite ko sa Taho Klasiko is yung... Wait. Taho Klasiko. Yun lang actually yung ano na... Di ba usually may mga regular yan? Regular... tall, ganon. Tapos yung pinakamalaki, yun yung only na, parang milk tea na din kasi yun eh. Coffee almond, yung inano ko doon na venti, add ng pearl and add ng sago and add ng arnibal. Ay hindi, pearl lang pala, tsaka sago. Yun yung inano ko. So, coffee almond, venti, sago, plus sago, plus pearl. Guys, you should try that. Sobrang sarap talaga, promise. I swear. Thank you, Alea. Thank you, it's me, Perch. Sige, take all the love. Try nyo yun, guys. Sa, No, I don't use contact lenses. Di ako marunong maglagay. You'll be safe in my romance, babe. labels fading, but I see you craving for more. You're denying it, but you ain't controlling your actions. Keep me guessing, but don't keep me waiting for us. Oh, I live to appreciate you. Take all the love that I give. All that I wish is for you to take me. But I taste the lies on your lips. I count the days when we're in love, 'cause I only matter when he's not around. Oh, but I live to appreciate you. Take all the love that I give. Got my heart on my sleeve. I'm begging the heavens to be good to me. Oh, you obsession love. Obsessive pala yun. Tolerating all your desires. I'll keep you wanting me more. But I'll keep you coming. I'm just suffocated. Okay. You laugh. Thank you guys so much for watching. No, Beanie's just as amazing. So there's no over someone or over ano. Okay guys. My back is hurting me so much na right now. So I think I'm gonna end the live already. I'm thinking about going live again tomorrow. Thank you so much. Grabe. So yeah. Thank you so much guys. Thank you. I'll see you guys tomorrow, I guess. Baka. Hindi ako magpa-promise, pero let's see. Thank you again. Love. No way! Oh my gosh, okay. Bye, guys. Bye. Ingat kayo, ha? Okay, bye-bye.